Here are some Nordic beauty rituals that nobody told you about. No. 1. Ancestral glow secret. Did you know that in Finland, Estonia, and Latvia, the birthplace of where my grandparents are from, that there is a secret to achieving that coveted glowy skin? And it's all in the preparation. You see, for centuries, women have been using a special type of Finnish beeswax called ancestral wax. It's a natural product that has been used for centuries to keep the skin looking youthful and glowing. The tradition is to use the wax as a base and then add a few drops of oil, either olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil. This mixture is then gently massaged into the skin, paying extra attention to the face, neck, and hands. The wax melts away impurities and dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. And because it's so gentle, it won't clog your pores or cause irritation. Plus, it's a great way to give yourself a little bit of self-care and relaxation. So if you're looking for a natural way to achieve that inner and outer glow, consider giving this ancient ritual a try.